Welcome to Muja's Academy. Today we have another GD question before us. Right here, they're asking us to solve. They say solve 5s plus 8 less than 3, open bracket, s plus 2, close bracket. So as you can see right here, this is inequality, right? So inequality is like equation. The difference is that equation is always equal to something. If I say 1 is equals 1, right? Is equals 1. Well, here I can say 2 is not equals 1, right? So this right here is inequality because they are not equal. If you see right here, this is what? Equal. This is equality sign. This is inequality sign, right? So these two, they are not equal. So that's why we always use less than and greater than to represent inequality sign, right? So this is what we have right here. So we have less than sign, right? So let's do this real quick. So let me erase this right here. So let's go. So they say solve 5s plus 8 less than 3, open bracket, s plus 2, close bracket, right? So let's go. We're going to have, I'm going to repeat everything. Let me go to black ink. So we have 5s plus 8 less than 3, open bracket, s plus 2, close bracket. So what we're going to do, I'm going to use this theory, multiply everything inside the bracket, right? I'm going to multiply everything inside the bracket by this theory. So I have 5s plus 8 less than sign. So 3 times s is going to give me 3s. 3 times plus 2 is going to give me plus 6. No more bracket. I took the bracket out, right? So we proceed. Here we have 5s and we have 8. Here we have 3s and we have 6. I'm going to take like terms, okay? Take like terms, right? So I'm taking like terms, which means whenever I see 5s, 3s is going to be with 5s. Whenever I see 8, 8 is going to be with 6, right? So I'm going to take this to this side, right? So I'm taking 3s to 5. So I want all the s to be on one side, okay? So when I take this to this side, it's going to cross its equality sign. When it crosses equality sign, the sign of this 3s is going to change. Likewise, when I take 8 to 6, it's going to cross equality sign. The sign of 8 is going to change as well. So let me take 3 to 5s. I have 5s. Now I'm breaking 3. 3 is crossing this equality sign. The sign of 3 was positive right here. When it crosses this sign, it's going to be negative. So I'm going to have minus 3s, okay? The same thing we do in equation, right? So then the equality sign, I'll put it right here, okay? Which is a less than sign. So right here, I have 6. 6 is positive, and 8 is positive as well. But when 8 crosses equality sign, inequality sign is going to be what? Negative. So when I take 8 to this side, it's going to be minus 8, right? Here, I'm going to be having 5. No, that's not 5s no more. So here I'm going to be having 5s minus 3s is going to be 2s, right? I put inequality sign here. So plus 6 minus 8 is going to be what? Minus 2, right? Position my board. So right here, I'm just going to repeat this so that we see it vividly. 2s less than minus 2. Right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide both sides by the coefficient of s. The coefficient of s is 2. Anything in front of alphabet or a letter is always called a coefficient. So divide this by 2, and divide this side by 2. 2 cancel out here, s comes down. So 2 cancel out here. So s comes down, going to have what? Less than what? So this 2 minus 2 divided by 2 is going to give us what? -1, right? So this is the answer right here. Conventionally or traditionally, as usual, so I always present my question is right here. What I'm going to have here, I'm going to have s less than -1. This is the answer. All right. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube. Please, if there's any question, put it at the section, put it at the comment section below. Thank you. Please subscribe to my channel, share, and comment.